Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you how to log in National Bank of Greece online. So go to Google, search for National Bank of Greece. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see the official page, National Bank of Greece official page. Just a way to open this page. From here, click digital banking, the first result here. From this option, you will see individual or business. Choose individual here, this option, and then you will redirect it to login page. So from here, you will see login page, just a way to open the login page. In this case, scroll down, click connect private or business, click private. From here, write your username. As you can see here, write your username and click continue. And then from this section, write password and then click login. It is easy steps. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on other videos.